Now I discuss normal reaction. Here normal reaction denoted by capital N. Some textbooks denoted by capital R. Look here. Normal reaction denoted by some textbooks denoted by capital N, ORR, capital R. Okay? Look here, Nana. Look here now. What is the meaning of normal reaction? I discuss Nana. This is the surface. Look here Nana. This is the surface Nana. This is the surface Nana. Okay. Here body is place. Look here. Nana, because of weight, some force acting on the surface. Look here, Junaidin. Okay, this is the body, Nana. Body placed on the surface, Nana. Because of weight of the body, some force acting on the surface. We know Newton's third law. Every action there is always equal and opposite reaction. Here body says action, floor says opposite reaction. This opposite reaction is nothing but the normal reaction. Once again, what is the meaning of normal reaction? Normal reaction is nothing but the force. This force exerted by the surface acting on the body. Hold. Nothing but the force, Nana. This force exerted by the surface acting on the body. Once again, what is the normal reaction? Normal reaction is nothing but the force exerted by the surface acting on the body. According to diagram, normal reaction always perpendicular to the surface. Once again, normal reaction always perpendicular to the given surface. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. Okay, Nana? Normal reaction generally denoted by N. Some textbooks denoted by capital R. Okay? Now I discuss normal reaction value on the horizontal surface. First I take horizontal surface. Look here. Horizontal surface. Look here, Nana. Here, this is the surface, Nana. Here, body is placed. Weight always vertically downwards. Okay. Here, body says action. Floor says opposite reaction. Okay. Look here, Nana. In the situation, keyword in the problem, body at rest. Body at rest means body is not in motion. Body at rest means net force becomes zero. Simply upward force balances by the downward force. In the situation, what is the value of normal reaction? Here M balances the mg. Keyword in the problem, body at rest. What is the value of N? mg. In the situation, body placed on the horizontal surface. What is the value of N? mg. What is the value of N? mg. Okay. Next, body placed on inclined plane. Look here, Nana. All of you look here. inclined plane, Nana. Look here, Nana, all of you. Inclined plane means this is the inclined plane. Look here. This is the inclined plane. Here, angle of inclination is theta. Okay. Here, body is placed. Body is placed. In the situation, weight always vertically downwards. Look, Junaidin. Here, here. This angle, here angle theta, this angle also theta. Here weight resolved into two components. Angle says cos theta, simply mg cos theta. This component is mg sin theta. We know that body says a action, surface says a opposite reaction. In the situation, n balances the what nana mg cos theta. Is sodanta emodana directly what is the value of normal reaction on horizontal surface? What is the value of normal reaction on horizontal surface? Mg. What is the value of normal reaction on inclined plane? Mg cos theta. Very important with respect to IPE. Hold. Apparent weight of a person in a lift. Look here now. Apparent weight of a person in a lift. Here apparent weight means simply normal reaction. Here none. Here apparent weight is nothing but the person feeling weight. Once again I repeat. Apparent weight means the person appearance weight, simply the person feeling weight. That is nothing but the normal reaction. Apparent weight of a person in a lift. Apparent weight means appears weight. The person feel, appears. That is measured by n. Okay? Here in the first case I discuss each and every case. Look clearly. We will measure what? Apparent weight. First case, lift at rest. Look here now. Lift at rest. Look here now. This is the surface, Nana. Look here. This is a lift. Lift or elevator. Okay? This is the lift now. Lift inside, which are present. A man is present. A man inside the lift. Okay? Here, first to identify the forces. Look here. Weight always vertically downwards. Look here. A person says action. Floor says opposite reaction. This opposite reaction is called normal reaction. Okay? In the situation, what happens? The lift at rest. Lifted rest means net force is 0. Simply upward force balances by the downward force. Here upward force is normal reaction. Downward force is weight. Simply n value equal to mg. N is nothing but the, in our language, apparent weight. Simply here, apparent weight is equal to actual weight. Simply the person feels same weight because in this situation, lift is at rest. Lift is at rest means apparent weight is equal to actual weight. Simply, the person feels same weight when lift is at rest. Please write down. Accelerated upward. Very important case, Nana. Look here. This is the second case. Lift accelerated upward. The question is, this is the lift, Nana. Look here. This is the floor. Person inside the lift, Nana. In the situation, lift accelerated. Simply, lift moving upward with acceleration A. This is the question. First, to identify forces acting on the person. One force is always weight always vertically downward. Person says a action. Floor says a opposite reaction. This is called normal reaction. In the situation, lift moving upward, simply upward force is more compared to downward force. Once again I repeat, person, two forces acting on the person. One is normal reaction, other one is weight. In the situation, lift moving upward, simply upward force is more compared to downward force. Okay? Nana, here, what is the net force, Nana? What is the net force, Nana? Net force is here, upward force is more compared to downward force. Nmg. Larger, smaller. Both are in opposite. So that's why write minus. F net. According to Newton's second law, F net means Ma. Look here. N minus Mg minus other side plus Nana. N equal to Mg plus Ma. What is the value of N, Nana? Mg plus Ma. Simply, N is called appears weight. Mg is called actual weight. According to this situation, Junaid, its meaning plus meaning is Nana, appears weight equal to actual weight. Plus means more. That means the person feel more weight. The person feel more weight because here plus is there. Mg is called actual weight. N is called apparent weight. Apparent weight means the person feeling weight. According to this equation, the person feel more weight when lift is moving upward with some acceleration A. In the situation, the person feel more weight. What is the formula? Final formula. Here common term is M. G plus A. What is the value of normal reaction? What is the value of normal reaction when lift accelerated upward? N equal to M into G plus A.